Today, we're going to explore how to send a picture with text on Discord using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see your servers and chats right in front of you. Next, find the chat where you want to send your picture. This could be a direct message or a group chat. Once you've located it, you're ready to move on. Now, look for the ++ icon to the left of the chat box. Clicking this will open up options for sending files and other media. After you click the plus icon, select Upload a file. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to browse for the photo you want to share. When you find the photo you'd like to send, double-click on it. This action will attach the image to your message, but you're not done yet. Now it's time to add some text. In the message box, type out your message or caption to go along with the image. This can be anything you want, your thoughts, a description, or just a fun comment. Finally, click the upload button to send your picture along with your text. And just like that, your message is on its way. That's it. You've successfully sent a picture with text on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing on Discord.